Hello children, nice to meet you again in your maths class. Let us see the continuation of the previous class, okay? So listen carefully. In the previous class, we have learned about multiplication of integers, yes or no? Yes. Now, today we are going to learn about division of integers, okay? So, first one is rules for division of integers. You will learn about rules for division of integers, okay? First rule, to divide two integers having same sign, we divide the absolute values and assign positive sign to the quotient, okay? So, to divide two integers having same sign, that is minus divided by minus here. To divide two integers having same sign, minus divided by minus is equal to, your answer is in plus, okay children? Same, plus divided by plus also, your answer is in plus, okay? So the first rule is, to divide two integers having same sign, we divide their absolute values and assign positive sign, okay? Your answer is in positive sign to the quotient, okay? Now second rule, to divide two integers having opposite sign. Opposite sign means one is negative and another one is positive. So to divide minus divided by plus is equal to, your answer is in negative sign. That is second rule. To divide two integers having opposite signs, we divide their absolute values and assign negative sign to the quotient, okay? So that's why minus divided by plus is equal to, your answer is in minus. Same, plus divided by minus, your answer is in minus. So நம்ம டிவிஷன்லையும் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷனே போல தான் ஒரே சைனை நம்ம டிவைட் பண்ணோம்னாக்கி நம்மளுக்கு ஆன்சர் என்னல இருக்கும், ப்ளஸில் இருக்கும். அதே இது வேறு வேறு சைன்னா ஒன் இஸ் நெகட்டிவ் அண்ட் அனதர் இஸ் பாசிட்டிவ். ஸோ இப்படி நம்ம டிவைட் பண்ணும்போது நம்மளுடைய ஆன்சர் எதில் வரும், மைனஸில் வரும். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், டூ யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? எஸ். நவ் ஆல் ஆஃப் யூ டேக் யுவர் கிளாஸ் ஒர்க் நோட். I hope you have taken the classwork note. Yes. Now write today's date and day. Start your writing. Division of integers. Write the heading, division of integers. The next line, rules for division of integers. Write it. Now you copy the classwork from the board. Two rules are there. So write down in the classwork note, okay? Write neatly children. Avoid mistakes, okay? The formulas are very, very important. That also you write with the definitions, okay? Division of integers. Rules for division of integers. First one is, to divide two integers having same sign, we divide their absolute values and assign positive sign to the quotient. Second one is, to divide two integers having opposite signs, we divide their absolute values and assign negative sign to the quotient. Have you finished? Okay. Now let us see the example sums, okay? problems. The first question is, divide the following integers. The first question, -63 divided by -7. Sorry, 63 divided by -9. Okay. Listen children, don't write anything. Now listen, then afterwards I will give the time. Okay, that time you can write. Now divide the following integers. First question, 63 divided by -9. So 63 divided by -9 can be written as 63 divided by -9. Yes or no? Yes. Now divide. First of all, you divide the signs. Okay, here is plus, here is minus. So plus divided by minus, what is the answer? Definitely will be minus sign only. Yes or no? Yes. Plus divided by minus. Plus divided by minus. If divided by two integers having opposite signs, we divide their absolute values and assign negative sign. Okay, so that's why your answer is in negative only. Now you divide the numbers. Okay, divide the numbers mean absolute value. So 63 divided by 9. What is the answer? 1 9 is 9. 7 9s are 63. Yes or no? Yes. So therefore your answer is 7 upon 1. 7 upon 1 can be written as 7 only. Yes or no? Yes. So that's why your answer is 63 divided by -9 is equal to -7. Okay children? One more time, listen carefully. First question, 63 divided by -9. So 63 divided by -9 can be written as 63 upon -9. Yes or no? Yes. Now you divide the signs. Sign means this is a positive sign. 63 is a positive integer and -9 is a negative integer. Now divided by sign. Here is plus divided by minus is equal to plus divided by minus is equal to, your answer is in minus. Okay, so minus. Now you divide the numbers. 1 9 is 9, 7 9s are 63. So that's why your answer is -7. Okay, yes. Now the second question. -26 divided by 13. -26 divided by 13. Okay, so -26 divided by 13 is equal to, it can be written as -26 divided by 13. Yes or no? Yes. Now what is the sign? Which sign will come? Minus. Here is minus, numerator having minus, denominator having plus. So minus divided by plus. Minus divided by plus. Look at your board. Minus divided by plus is equal to, your answer is in minus. Okay children. Now divided by numbers. 23 divided by 13. Sorry, 26 divided by 13. So 1 13 is 13. 2 13s are 26. Therefore your answer is in, here already minus, so now 2. So therefore your answer is -2. Okay, -26 divided by 13. So -26 divided by 13 can be written as -26 divided by 13. Okay, now minus divided by plus. Minus divided by plus, your answer is in minus. Now you divide the numbers. 1 13 is 13, 2 13s are 26. So that's why your answer is -2. Okay, so divide பண்ணும்போது ரொம்ப கவனமா டிவைட் பண்ணணும். முதல்ல என்ன செய்யணும்? நம்ம சைனை டிவைட் பண்ணிக்கணும். இதில் ஏதாவது ஒரு இடத்துல மைனஸ் மட்டும் இருந்தாலே உன்னோட ஆன்சர் எதில் தான் இருக்கும்? மைனஸில் தான் இருக்கும். பாசிட்டிவாக இருக்கட்டும், தட் இஸ் நியூமரேட்டரில் இருக்கட்டும் இல்லை டினாமினேட்டர் எதில் இருந்தாலும் சரி தான் உன்னோட ஆன்சர் நெகட்டிவில் தான் வரும். ஸோ ஹியர் இஸ் ப்ளஸ், ஹியர் இஸ் மைனஸ், ஸோ தட்ஸ் வை யுவர் ஆன்சர் இஸ் -7. Here also same, your numerator have minus sign, denominator have positive sign, so minus divided by plus is equal to, your answer is minus. So now you divided by numbers, 113 is 13, 2 13s are 26. That's why your answer is -2. Do you understand, children? Yes. Now two more sums. Third question, -419 divided by -10. What is the answer? -490 divided by -10. -490 divided by -10. It can be written as -490 upon -10. Yes or no? Yes. Now you find the answer. Here minus divided by minus. Minus divided by minus, your answer is in plus, otherwise minus cancel. That's why your answer is in plus. Okay. Now 0 cancel. So your answer is only 49. Okay, children. Two ways are there. Minus divided by minus, your answer is in plus only. And another one, minus cancel. Two ways. Okay. Do in any follow in any way. Okay. So minus cancel, or minus divided by minus is equal to, your answer is in plus. Now 0 cancel. So that's why your answer, final answer is 49. Okay. Now the fourth question. -303 divided by -3. Okay. So say the answer. -303 divided by -3. It can be written as -303 divided by -3. Okay. So minus cancel. So your answer is 1 3 is 3. 1 3 is 3. 0 1 divided by 3. Okay. 303 divided by 3. 1 3 is 3. 0. So now 3 bring down. So your answer is 101. So that's why your answer is 101. Okay. So -303 divided by -3 is equal to 101. Okay, children, clear? Now write down the classwork note. Problems. First question, divide the following integers. Okay. First question, second question, third question, fourth question. You write one by one. Okay. First question you finish, after you write the second question, after you write the third, then after you write the fourth question. Okay, children? Write clearly. கேன்சல் பண்ணியிருக்கிறதெல்லாம் பென்சிலில் யூஸ் பண்ணு. பென்சிலில் கட் பண்ணிவிட்டு எழுதுங்க, சரியா? அப்போ தான் உங்களுக்கு புரியும். ஸோ நான் கேன்சல் பண்ணியிருக்கிறது எல்லாம் பென்சிலில் கட் பண்ணு. ரைட் வித் பென்சில், தட் இஸ் டோன்ட் கட் வித் பென். ஓகே, ஒன்லி பென்சில். I hope you have written the classwork. Yes, children? Yes, now the second question. Evaluate the following integers. Okay, second question. In second question, first one. See the question. Curly bracket inside minus 18 divided by 3. Minus 18 divided by 3 minus 42. Okay. Listen children. Whenever there are more than one operations, okay, we use the BODMAS rule. Yes or no? Yes. Where B stands for bracket and O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction carried out in that order. Yes or no? Yes. So same way, first to find bracket inside, what is there? First you write your question, minus 18 divided by 3, okay. Minus 42 is equal to, first to find the, what is there inside the bracket? Minus 18, this is a rough work, okay. Minus 18 divided by 3. Minus 18 divided by 3, it can be written as minus 18 divided by 3. What is the answer? 1 3 is 3, 6 3s are 18. So here minus divided by plus is equal to, your answer is in minus. So your answer is minus 6. So minus 18 divided by 3. What is the answer? Minus 6. Okay. Minus 6 minus of 42. Minus 6 minus 42. Here. Under subtraction operation. Yes or no? Yes. So, minus 6 minus into plus. That time you put the additive inverse of 42. What is the additive inverse of 42? Minus 42. Yes or no? Now you add minus 6 minus 42. You see that in addition, having same sign means we find the sum and put the same sign. Yes or no? Yes. Now 6 plus 42, your answer is 48. And what is the sign? Minus. So your answer is in, your answer is minus 48. Okay. Children listen. One more time I will explain. Your question is minus 18 divided by 3 minus 42. Okay. So, rewrite the question. Minus 18 divided by 3 minus 42. So, always you first to find bracket inside. Okay. So, that's why first to find the value of minus 18 divided by 3. Okay. Minus 18 divided by 3. So, minus 18 divided by 3. Minus 18 divided by 3 is equal to, it can be written as minus 18 divided by 3. Now you see the sign. Minus divided by plus. Numerator having minus sign. Denominator having plus. Minus divided by plus. Your answer is in minus. Okay. So that's why minus. Now you divided by number. Okay. 18 divided by 3. 1 3 is 3. 6 3s are 18. So your answer is minus 6. Now you put the value of minus 18 divided by 3 is equal to minus 6. Okay. Minus 6 minus 42. Minus 6. This value is minus 6 minus 42. Now you see which operation? Minus, subtraction. So minus 6 subtraction into plus addition. Okay. So minus 6 subtract into plus, that time you put the additive inverse of this integer. Yes or no? So what is the additive inverse of 42? Minus 42. So minus 6 minus 42. What is the answer? Minus 48. Okay children? இங்க பாரு நம்மளுக்கு 3 ஆபரேஷன் இங்க ஓடுது. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டிவிஷன். ஓகே, டிவிஷன்ல வேல்யூ கண்டுபிடிச்சு போட்டாச்சு. -6. அதுக்கு பிறகு என்ன இருக்கு? மைனஸ் சப்ட்ராக்ஷன். ஸோ எப்போவுமே சப்ட்ராக்ஷன் பண்ணும்போது நம்ம மைனஸ் என்னவா மாற்றணும்? ப்ளஸ்ஸாக மாற்றணும். ப்ளஸ்ஸாக சேஞ்ச் ஆகும்போது இதோட அடிட்டிவ் இன்வர்ஸை போடணும். ஓகே, ஸோ டோன்ட் ஃபர்கட். ஓகே, ஸோ இதோட அடிட்டிவ் இன்வர்ஸ் நம்மளுக்கு என்னது? -42. ஸோ -6 minus into plus additive inverse -42. Now you see this line. Which operation is there? Addition. ஸோ உங்கள் அடிஷனில் இருக்கும்போது நம்மளுக்கு 2 ரூல் இருக்குது. என்ன ரூல்? ரெண்டும் ஒரே சைனாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா என்ன செய்யணும்? ஆட் பண்ணிவிட்டு அதே சைனை போடணும். ஸோ 6 + 42 is equal to 48. The sign is minus. Okay children? Clear now? Yes. Now write down the classwork note. Second question, first one. Okay, right. Write without mistakes children. Minus sign, plus signs using more. Okay, so you do carefully. Write fast. Next question, second one. Listen, the second question is -48 divided by -6. One curly bracket is coming. Minus 42 divided by -21. Okay, so here 2 brackets are there. This is one bracket, this is another one bracket. Okay, so first to find bracket inside. Okay, so -48 divided by -16. Okay, minus 42 divided by -21. Now first to find this value, -48 divided by -16. Okay, so -48 divided by -16, it can be written as -48 divided by -16. Okay, here minus divided by minus, so your answer is in plus. Otherwise minus minus cancel. Now 48 divided by 16, 16th table. What is the answer? Say the answer. 48 divided by 16. 3 16s are 48. Okay, 16 1 is 16, 3 16s are 48. So your answer is 3. Here minus minus plus, so that's why your answer is only 3. Okay, so 3. Next, which sign? Minus. Now you find the value of 42 divided by -21. Okay, so 42 divided by -21, it can be written as 42 divided by -21. Okay, now say the answer. Here plus divided by minus, so your answer is in minus. Now 121 is 21, 2 21s are 42, so therefore your answer is -2. Okay children, So minus 2. Already here one minus is there. This value only minus 2. So minus 2. Okay. Write carefully. Already here one minus sign is there. Okay. Your value 42 divided by minus 2, 21 only. Your answer is in minus 2. Okay children. So that's why 3 minus minus 2. Now this is subtraction. Yes or no? Yes. So that's why subtract into addition. Minus into plus. That time you put the additive inverse. What is the additive inverse of minus 2? Plus 2. Okay. So that's why plus 2. Therefore your answer is 3 plus 2 is equal to your answer is 5 plus 5. Okay. Clear? Once again. You see the question. Okay. Minus 48 divided by minus 16. Minus 42 divided by minus 21. So two brackets are there. This is first one. This is first one. So first of all to find this value minus 48 divided by minus 16. You find the value minus 48 divided by minus 16 is equal to, it can be written as minus 48 divided by minus 16. Minus minus cancel. 1 16 is 16 and 3 16s are 48. So that's why your answer is 3. Okay. So next to find the value of 42 divided by minus 21. Okay. So you find 42 divided by minus 21 is equal to, it can be written as 42 divided by minus 21. Plus divided by minus. So that's why your answer is in minus. Okay. Now 121 is 21. 2 21s are 42. So that's why your answer is minus 2. So this value is 3 and this value is minus 2. So 3, already here one minus sign is there is in your question. Okay. So 3 minus minus 2. 3 minus of minus 2. Okay. Now this is a subtraction operation. So subtract into addition. You put the additive inverse of minus 2. So that's why 3 plus 2 is equal to, your answer is 5. Okay children. Clear? Do you understand? Yes. Now you start with your work. Writing work. Yes? Yes. Do. Second question already you finish. Now you start the question. Second. Okay. Start. Write down in the classwork note. This work also very important. Okay. You write with the pen. Okay. This is not a rough work. Okay. You find the value and here you put. That is only need. Okay. So need. So write with the pen. This is not a rough work. Okay children? Yes. I hope you have written. Yes. Now the third question. The third question. Your question is minus 5 into minus 3 into 2 divided by minus 5 into minus 1. Okay. So, first of all, you write the question minus 5 into minus 3. Listen, children, don't write divided by minus 5 into minus 1. Okay. Is equal to, first to find this bracket inside. Yes or no? Yes. So this is a multiplication. Okay. So minus into minus plus. First to multiply by this number. Minus into minus plus. So 5 3s are 15. Yes or no? 15. Now 15 2s are 30. Yes? Otherwise you write here. Minus 5 into minus 3 into 2. Okay. What is the answer? Minus, first to multiply by these two integers. Minus into minus plus. 5 3s are 15. So 15 into 2. Next step, 15 2s are 30. So your answer is 30. Yes or no? Yes. Now, which sign is there? Division. Okay. Divided by minus 5 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus 5 into 1, 5. Okay. So now 13 divided by 5. 1 5 is 5. 6 5s are 30. So your answer is 6. Okay, children. It's so easy question. You see the question, minus 5 into minus 3 into 2. Okay, divided by minus 5 into minus 1. Minus 5 into minus 1. So now, first to find this bracket inside. What is there? Minus 5 into minus 3 into, that is 2. Okay. So, you see the question. Minus 5 into minus 3 into 2. You find the value of minus 5 into minus 3 into 2. So, first to find the integers multiplication. Minus 5 into minus 3. What is the value? Minus into minus plus. 5 into 3, 15. Okay. Minus into minus plus. 5 into 3, 15. Multiply 2. So 15 2s are 13. So the value of minus 5 into minus 3 into 2 is equal to, answer is 30. Okay. Now divided by, in your question division symbol is there. So division sign. Next to find the value of minus 5 into minus 1. Minus 5 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus. 5 into 1, 5. So 30 divided by 5. So it can be written as 30 divided by 5. What is the answer? 1 5 is 5. 6 5s are 30. So your answer is 6. Okay, children? Yes. Write down the classwork note. Write it. Okay. Write properly. This is not a rough work, children. To find the value of minus 5 into minus 3 into 2. Okay. So including this sum. So write with pen. Okay, children? Yes. Minus 5 into minus 3 into 2 is equal to 15. So 15 into 2 is equal to 30. The next question, fourth one. Listen. The question number 4. 49 plus 63 minus 14 divided by minus 1 into 7. Okay. So your question 49 plus 63 minus 14 divided by minus 1 into 7. Okay. Is equal to. So first to find the value of 49 plus 63 minus 14. Yes or no? Yes. So what is the value? 49 plus 63 minus 14. What is the value? 49 plus 63. 49 plus 63 how much? Always using the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule. Okay. So B for bracket, O for half, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So first we add the numbers. Okay. So 49 plus 63. How much? 9 plus 3, 12, 1 carry, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So 112 minus 14. Correct? 49 plus 63 is equal to 112 minus 14. Okay. Now 112 minus sign is there. So minus into plus, that time you put the additive inverse. What is the additive inverse of 14? Minus 14. Okay children? Now what is the answer? Plus 112 minus 14. Now you see here opposite sign. One is positive and other is negative. So we find the difference. Okay. So 112 minus 14. 2 minus 4 is impossible. So you coming to the next place. So borrow. Now 12. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. Okay. So your answer is 98. Okay. Here positive sign, that is a bigger number only, positive sign. So that's why your answer is 98. So 49 plus 63 minus 14 is equal to, your answer is 98. Now divided by minus 1 into 7. Minus into plus. Here minus, here plus. So what is the sign? Minus. Minus 1 into 7. 1 into 7. 1 7s are 7. Okay. So 98 divided by minus 7. What is the answer? 98 divided by minus 7. It can be written as 98 divided by minus 7. Now plus divided by minus is equal to, your answer is in minus. Now 7. Seventh table. 1 7 is 7. 28. So 14 7s are 98. Okay. 14 7s are 98. So your answer is in minus 14. So your answer minus 14. Okay children, clear? Yes or no? Yes. Otherwise you write here. Okay. 1 minute, sorry. You write here. 98 divided by minus 7. Okay. So here minus, plus divided by minus is equal to minus. 1 7 is 7. 14 7s are 98. So your answer is minus 14. Okay. Clear? Yes or no? Do you understand or not? Yes. Okay. Once again I will explain. 49 plus 63 minus 14 divided by minus 7 into minus 1 into 7. First to find the value of 49 plus 63 minus 14. Okay. So 49 plus 63 minus 14. Now you see here 49 plus 63 minus 14. So first to find the numbers. Okay. Find the value of 49 plus 63. So 49 plus 63 is equal to 112. 112 minus 14. Okay. Minus 14. Now 112 minus into plus. That time you put the additive inverse of 14. What is the additive inverse of 14? Minus 14. Okay. So therefore 112 plus minus 14. Now you see this is addition of integers. Yes or no? You follow the addition of integers. Now here is plus, here is minus. So plus, minus, opposite signs are there. So we find the difference and put the greater value sign. So that's why 112 minus 14 is equal to 98. So your answer is plus 98. Okay, children? So the value of 49 plus 63 minus 14 is equal to 98. Now division, divide, minus 1 into 7, minus into plus, minus into plus, minus 1 7s are 7. So that's why 98 divided by minus 7. It can be written as 98 divided by minus 7. So here is plus, minus. So your answer is minus. 1 7 is 7. 14 7s are 98. So your answer is minus 14. Okay, children? Yes. Write down the classwork note. Write fast. I hope you have written the classwork. Now, homework time. So all of you take your book, page number 11. Okay. Homework. Your homework is page number 11. Sum number 4. Do in your book, okay? And sum number 6. Listen, children, your homework is page number 11. All of you take your book, page number 11. All of you take your book, page number 11. See the fourth question. Put greater than and less than or equal sign to the boxes. Okay. Listen carefully, children. Don't write anything. Now listen. Okay. Take your book, page number 11. Fourth question. Put greater than, less than or equal sign in the boxes. Okay. This question do in your book only. Okay. Don't write in your homework note. This work is in only book. Okay. Fourth question only in your book. So you see the first question. Minus 9 plus minus 7 plus 1. Okay. First to find the value of minus 9 plus minus 7 plus 1. Okay. Then after you find the value of minus 18 plus 15. Now you compare. Which one is greater, which one is smaller. Then you put the sign. Okay, children? Clear? Understand or not? Okay. Then you see the second question. 14 minus 3 minus 10. You find the value. Then after you compare the answer. Okay. Which one is bigger and smaller? Okay, children? Okay. This fourth question fully do in your book only. Okay? Yes. Now you come to sixth question. In sixth question, first one, second one, fourth one, and fifth one. Okay. In question number 6, first one, second one, fourth one, and fifth one. Okay. These questions are do in your homework note. Okay, children? Clear? Yes. Fourth question, do in your book. And sixth question, do in your homework note. Okay, children? Yes. Then see you in the next class. Okay? Thank you.